Hi, welcome to another episode of Monthly Reset Routine, and here are all the things I need to get done. Coming to the very first thing, which is giving this boring mirror a new look, a new makeover. I have been watching this particular DIY flower frames going viral, and I for sure had to try it. I am using this air clay. Link will be in description box. I am using Fevicol to stick the flowers, and it was literally a pretty simple process, and it took me some good hours to make enough flowers to create like a border. And well, this is how the flowers look. I might not have done a very good job, but stay tuned, we have a twist ahead. Moving next, I had this mini storage cart which I was using to keep all my makeup, but I again want to start my reading habit, so creating a very cozy setup for my books along with some snacks. And on the top shelf is this beautiful mirror sort which was gifted to me last year for my birthday. So it's like whenever we turn on the light, picture with my nanny shows up, and when we turn off the light, it's like a simple mirror. And for now, I think this setup looks perfect. Then on to the next task, which is deep cleaning, making bed and organizing my makeup. Enjoy the time lapse. I was not fully satisfied, so I made some perfect flowers this time, and this is how the complete look of my mirror looks like. Let me know in the comment section below how much you would rate this DIY project. Now moving on to the next task, which is getting my fur babies groomed, which includes bath, nail clipping, ear cleaning, brushing the teeth. I usually give them bath at home, but since this month is special for Mishti, as it's her birthday the very next day, it was time for a very good spa day for them. And for that, I always visit Oh My Pets, which is also 10 minutes drive from my home. First is Mishti's turn. They gave a shower, and for the very first time, I saw them using this ultra dry machine, which initially scared me, but they explained how it is safe and pets can breathe even after staying inside. I swear, by seeing Mishti's look,
it was at this moment
she was surely cursing me. Anyways, now it's time for Crystal's part, followed by same process, and after waiting for almost 30 minutes each, they were out, well groomed and ready to kick in April month. I even ordered a dog pizza from here, which you will see soon in upcoming clips. Then came back home, and it was time for the most tedious task, which is decluttering. And this time it was my PC's turn. And after spending almost 2 hours or so, I finally managed to delete a lot of data, and basically I decluttered well. After that, did my planning for this month, journaled what all I need to prioritize this month, and then started writing all the video ideas for YouTube as well as for Instagram. After success of all the major tasks, the next day I brought the pizza which I ordered. So it's like if you want dog pizza, you need to order it a day before. And this is how it looks like. Surely not so appealing, but apparently Mishti, Crystal and their friends loved it. Even her human friends came when we were cutting pizza. And well, with this I have checked my whole list. I hope my video could motivate you somehow to keep going, because even though I was able to do so much, I still had so much going on behind the camera, which was not only tedious but also very stressful and frustrating. So keep going and keep showering lots of love to my videos. My comment section is always open for your suggestions. Do give this video a big fat thumbs up, do share, do subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.